Okay, I think that's enough, honey.
Why?
Just take pictures. Don't take video. Video takes more memory.
Well, yeah.
It's so funny. Ow.
It's not. That's not the boob, Noah. No, it's not the boob. Don't tell me that. Feels like the boob.
Can't see my stretch marks, can you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, he's gonna be right-handed. He keeps putting his left thumb in his mouth.